Aloha everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, what's up? My name is Kasey. Today is actually the day after Mother's Day. I don't know when I'm gonna get this video up, but I just wanted to quickly say that I hope you guys had an awesome Mother's Day. All of you hardworking mommies out there, you guys deserve the best, and I just hope you guys had a blessed Mother's Day. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join my little ohana that I have here, and also don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys are notified when I do post. Today I'm going to be doing a very quick Mother's Day haul for you guys, and also a little friend mail that I got from my friend Sherri here on YouTube. I'm not going to do swatches or anything. I just want to quickly pull everything out, show you guys what I got. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this haul. To start off, I'm just going to show you guys this little package that I got from my friend Sherri, and I'll put her picture up right here so you guys can see. She did include a little card here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and read that. And it says, "Kasey, thanks so much for your love and support. Enjoy the highlighter doll. Love, Sherri." She got this highlighter in her BoxyCharm, and I didn't get it in my BoxyCharm, and I wanted it. The highlighter that I'm talking about is the Tarteist Pro Glow highlighter, and this is in the shade Sparkler. I didn't want her to have to go through that trouble, but she was like, really, it's just gonna sit there, so I'll send it to you, it's no problem. So thank you, Sherri. You have such big hearts. I'm so blessed that we met each other here on YouTube. You are just an amazing supporter. Guys, if you guys have not yet supported Sherri's channel, please go ahead and support her. I will leave her channel in the description box down below. Thank you, Sherri, so much, and thank you for the card. I really enjoy the fact that we support each other, and I just love your spirit. I love your content, and I just wish you all the best, and thank you so much. I love you. Okay, so now to get into the Mother's Day haul. You guys are gonna laugh. My husband doesn't know, but I bought myself a Mother's Day gift because, guys, let me explain. It was so stinking cheap. As you guys know, I love MILANI blushes. My favorite one is their rose petal one in the shade Romantic Rose, and they came out with a rose palette, I think actually two, but for Mother's Day they came out with a Mother's Day bundle, and y'all, it was like $22 I think, but it was so cheap. And it came with hold on, let me just show you guys. Okay, so I got my box right here. I did not open it yet, guys. I wanted to show you guys. So this is their Prep and Brighten Rose Face Oil. Ooh, it's nice, you guys. This is the packaging on the oil. So it's a Prep and Brighten Rose Facial Oil, and you get 1 fluid ounce. And of course it comes with the dropper, and you just have to like press the top, and then the oil releases like that. It doesn't have a strong smell. It is kind of a little perfumey, but we'll see how that does on the face. Hopefully it doesn't break me out, but I'm very hopeful. And the bottle is just so nice, guys. Like, this will just look so nice just sitting on your vanity or something. I'm gonna try not to blind you guys, but of course it came with the blush palette. This is called Flowers of Love, and it comes with 3 colors right there. I'm hoping they're not too light for me. This one definitely is, but maybe I can mix it or something. I can use it for something, guys. I'll find a use. But yeah, it came with this trio palette, and then the last thing that it came with was this really cute makeup bag. This is what the bag looks like. It does come with the cutest little tassel, and right here it says MILANI as well, and I just love the detailing on it. It opens up right here. It has like a little magnetic thing, and then it's just a plain black pouch inside. But how cute is this little makeup bag? And then the keychain does come off. So if you're one of those, you know, fancy people, you can just take it off and put it on your keys or something. And if you have kids, you can also just give them this so that they can use it for like a little clutch or something. It's just so cute. My tassels are like all off length, but that's nothing a quick trim can't take care of. And really quickly, I did bring out my favorite blush blush. This one is, like I said, Romantic Rose. I did want to bring this out and just compare the size. As you can see, it is quite a difference in size. This one right here is their full size. This is 0.6 ounces or 17 grams of product. And these little ones, each pan has 0.42 ounces. And it has a total of 12 grams. But you have to take into consideration that you're getting 3 different blushes. I just feel like this is something that you can actually use up, you know, and get your money's worth. So this was really nice. And then of course, to get the free shipping, I did pick up their Make It Last setting spray. This is their 16-hour wear setting spray. I have never tried this before. I have always wanted to. I've heard so many good things. I think it was like $10. I figured I might as well throw it in there because I think the free shipping was $30 and then you get free shipping. I just made it. It was like $32. But of course I did have to pay tax, so all of this together ran me like $35. So that was my little Mother's Day gift to myself. I went to Ulta and I picked up a few things. The first thing that I was super excited to get was the Makeup Revolution SophX palette. I have been wanting this for so long, since it came out, but I kept finding every reason in the book not to buy it. You have so many palettes, you don't need that palette. But I've been wanting this palette for so long, and I was like, it's Mother's Day, Kasey, just get it. So I did. Well, my hubby did. Thank you, babe. I don't like to take advantage of people, you know, buying me things. So I just got 2 more things, and that was the SMASHBOX So Chill Coconut Photo Finish Primer Water. And the only reason why I got 2 of it, you guys, is because on Mother's Day, it was the last day that they had these on sale for $19, and they retail for $32 each. So I was like, okay, I can't just get 1, I'm gonna get 2. It's so good, and the coconut one smells really good. So yeah, this was my cheap little Ulta haul. And we did have to go to Walmart for a few things, and I was looking at their earrings. I've never walked through Walmart and looked at their earrings before. All of their earrings were $4, well, most of them, but these were marked down for $2. So I picked up a few earrings. So this is the first style that I bought. I've had earrings like this before, but they broke. And these were only $2, so I went ahead and picked them up. And these are the second style of earrings that I picked up. These were also marked down for $2, and I just thought that they were so cute. They have like the different textures on it. It was scuffed up a little, but really, like when I'm wearing it, you're not even going to be able to tell, and eventually it would have happened anyway. So I was really happy to have these. And then these are a little bit different for me, but they were marked down. But I thought that these were really cute, and for $2, really, okay, I'm not mad, you guys. And then I did get 2 more earrings. These are original price $288. I got another style of these. The texture is different, but I used to rock these earrings all the time, and I just love this style. And then the last earring, you guys, I was so excited to find these. You guys are not even gonna like understand. I'm gonna insert a picture of myself here from like high school days. I used to have this pair of earrings before, and I lost one side, and I was devastated because I couldn't find them again. And what do you know, Walmart had them for $288. So these are what they look like. Guys, I never thought I would find these earrings again. These used to be my favorite earrings of all time, and they're just so cute. And for $288, I had to get them. Yes, I'm a very cheap, simple person to shop for. Just getting these earrings and these 3 things from Ulta, I was so happy. My kids got me a card for Mother's Day that popped open, and they wrote their names on it. And I had the best day. Mother's Day, I don't feel like it's about gifts or getting things. I feel like it's just another day to celebrate family, spend with your family. My kids working so hard to surprise me and make cards for me. My daughter even made me something at her school. Just little things like that made the day so special for me. So yeah, this was just extra stuff, but I thought I would show you guys what I got because a few of these things did make me really excited. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Thank you guys again so much for being here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you made it towards the end. It really helps me a lot and I appreciate it so much. You guys are beautiful and I love you guys so much. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha!